Hello students, today we are going to study Dalton atomic theory from the chapter Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. Okay, during Dalton time, it was said that atom was what? Indivisible. It can't be divided. Right now you know it consists of what? Electron, proton and neutrons. But at that time they were not knowing that. Okay, and accordingly he gave his theory or the postulates of Dalton. He said that matter consists of indivisible atoms. It means the atoms can't be divided. Okay, all atoms of a given element are identical, have identical properties, including identical mass, and atoms of different elements have different mass. This right now, today we all know at present that yes, why this is, why element has got the same property as single element, or the similar elements will have the similar properties, while the different the elements will have different properties because of the constituents of the atom, isn't it? But at that time he said this, but he was unable to explain it. Okay, but he said that all atoms of any given element have got identical properties and identical mass, but they differed in their different element differed in their this mass, and this at that time to explain was difficult, but yes, by the reaction he could find out this. So he had done a very important thing at that time only. Without knowing whole concept of atom, he could say the theory about that atom. Okay, now compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine in a fixed ratio. See, even he said at that time that these compounds will be formed when different elements are combining together in a definite ratio. Okay, so he could able to explain what are compounds. Okay, and chemical reactions involves reorganization of atoms. What do you mean by this? It means that these atoms during the reaction, nothing happens, nowhere it goes. They all during the reaction, what happened? They reorganize themselves. Because why? The one important theory which we all know, that yes, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, and the law of conservation of mass should be there. Dalton was able to say about or explain the laws of chemical combination, but he was not able to give the reason why these chemical combinations are being taken. He could not explain the gases volume ratio also. He could only just say about the laws of chemical combination. Now atomic mass. So what is atomic mass? Very easy to say the mass of an atom is atomic mass, but we can't say exactly that yes, mass of an atom is the atomic mass, because atomic mass right now it is very easy to calculate it by spectroscopic method. Okay, in this 20th century many modern techniques are there to take out the atomic mass, but in the 19th century it was not there. So exact atomic mass to be taken out was very difficult. So what the scientists used to do, they used to take out the relative atomic mass. So basically when we are talking about atomic mass here, it is the relative atomic mass. Why we are saying relative atomic mass? Because here it is being compared with 1/12 of the mass of the carbon 12. So what is atomic mass when we try to define it? Okay, so it is one atomic mass unit is the mass exactly equal to the 1/12 of the mass of one carbon 12 atom, because as carbon has got isotopes, so isn't it? C14 is also there, C12 is there. Okay, so here what we have taken carbon 12, the isotope of carbon, that is carbon 12, having atomic mass of what? 12. Okay, first actually hydrogen was used because it was easy to compare it with, because its atomic mass was 1. So in order to compare it was easy, but later on it was changed to carbon. Okay, an isotope of carbon having what? 12 atomic mass. So here if we are saying 1/12 of carbon 12 atom. Okay, its atomic mass, if I am saying it is of what, 12. So if we are taking this in reference to 1/12, we are getting what, 1.60056 into 10 to the power minus 24. So 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. So mass of an atom of hydrogen, which was calculated, was how much? 1.6736 into 10 to the power minus 24. So if we want to change in terms of what? AMU. So in terms of AMU, when we are changing this hydrogen mass of hydrogen atom to take out the mass which is relative to 1/12 of the carbon 12, what we are doing, we are writing what, the mass of what, hydrogen, and above, and the 1 atomic mass unit what, in the denominator, and you are getting the mass, 1 atomic mass unit in terms of AMU, you are getting how much? 1.0078 AMU for what? Hydrogen, which can be rounded off to what? 1.0080 atomic mass unit. So atomic mass unit can be simply written as mu, or it is said to be what? The unified mass which has been got after being compared with the 1/12 of the carbon atom 12. So what is the unified mass of hydrogen? It is 1.0080. Okay, after it is being compared with what? 1/12 of mass of 1 carbon 12 atom. This is all for today. Take care. Have a good day.